Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man, also known as Shane Pennebaker, coming at you live from Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be showcasing this amazing coach. It's a Thor Outlaw 38MB. This is such a nice coach. You're going to really want this, especially if you're into ATV, motorcycle ride, and just getting out and enjoying the world. Let's have a look at this thing. First, you're going to start out by having all these nice slide toppers. Stops all the debris from falling on the top of that box. No need to get on top and sweep it off. Rolls right off, whether it be pine cones, leaves, squirrels. Also, we have tinted windows all the way around, which is a great plus in the summertime. When the sun's beaming in, you're still going to stay nice and cool. You got lighted awnings all the way around as well. You have an outside TV. Look at the cavernous storage in this thing. You've got tons of storage, which is gold in the RV industry in the world. You know that. So, also you have an extendable ramp. You drive your ATVs up, your motorcycles, park them. But when they're out, it also converts into a full sectioned off patio, which is great because you can sit outside, enjoy yourself, and get some fresh air and just kick back. Now, I do want to mention the sleeping capacity. So what we're going to do is go inside the coach. So when you're first coming in, you got a front door and a back door. You got beautiful interior that you're met by. It's charcoal gray. It is gorgeous. In the cockpit, you've got two full swivel reclining seats, and they are very nice. Technically, you could also sleep there. That's why I said this unit sleeps 10 to 12 people comfortably. You've got an electric extendable overhead bunk. Really, really nice. And then coming back into the coach, you've got a dinette that converts also into a sleeper. Directly across from that, you have a sleeper sofa. Then, moving backwards, we've got this bathroom is bigger than my bathroom. I'm not kidding you, it's huge. Moving back into the galley, we've got a lot of counter space, a double sink, a nice convection microwave oven, and a true induction cooktop, as well as propane. All right, now moving back, you have a nice Whirlpool refrigerator. In the bedroom, you have another television directly across from your queen-size bed. And look at the drawer, the chest of drawers, just amazing. You have so many of those. I wouldn't know what you'd do with all of it, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. You got a full-size closet. Moving back to the garage, you have two beds. Both of them come down out of the ceiling. One of them is a queen-size bed. Sleeps 2 to 3 comfortably, depending on if they're kids or adults. And once you move that back up to the top, you can sit there and pull your motorcycle or ATV in, close everything up, and you're ready to go. By the way, this also has an AC unit inside of the garage area, so it keeps it nice and cool when you're sleeping. Easy access to the back patio as well. I'm telling you folks, you deserve this coach. Like I said, folks, you totally deserve a coach like this. Get your family and you out. You guys can enjoy germ-free travel and still live. I mean, no one's flying, no one's floating. Think about that. This is the way to go, for sure. You get a hold of me, Shane Pennebaker, Shane the Shark Man, and we'll talk. I'll buy you lunch and put you in this thing, and I'm telling you, you will not regret it. It's a nice coach.